metal and non-metal separator. The rapid growth in the population has also led to the surge in the volume of waste being generated on a daily basis. This increase in the generation of waste, due to continuous growth in the urbanization and industrialization, has become a severe problem for the local and the national government. It is also posing a serious problem for the local authorities to manage the wastes being dumped everywhere as landfill. Here we propose the use of an auto waste segregator, which will separate the metallic and non-metallic waste automatically. The system makes use of IR sensor for the detection of object, metal sensor for the detection of metal, and servo motor for the segregation of waste. LCD display is used for displaying the result of segregation. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has 2 lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5V. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. We have used 2 sensors, one for sensing the object, and other one for sensing the conductivity of object. IR sensor is used to detect the object. Its output pin is connected with the pin number 7 of Arduino. Metal sensor output is connected with the pin number 8 of Arduino. Signal pin of servo motor is connected at pin number 6 of Arduino. 5V pin of both the sensors and motor are connected with the 5V pin of Arduino. Ground pins are connected with the ground pin of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include liquid crystal.h. Now we will declare the name of the used pins, in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. We have connected RS pin of LCD with pin number 12 of Arduino, D7 of LCD with pin number 2 of Arduino. To control the servo motor, we will include the servo library in the program. To include the library, we will write #include servo.h, servo space my servo. My servo is a variable which will store the value of the angle at which user wants to rotate the servo. Now we have declared name of used pins. IR sensor is connected at pin number 7. Metal sensor is connected at pin number 8. IR state and metal state are 2 integer type variables. Void setup is a function in which we have declared the input and output pins. Sensors are connected at pin number 7 and 8. So we will declare it as input pins. Signal pin of servo motor is connected at pin number 6 of Arduino. First of all, we will sense the object with the help of IR sensor. We will read the status of IR sensor connected at pin number 7 of Arduino. If object is sensed, the Arduino will show the message, "Object found," on the LCD screen. Now Arduino will check the conductivity with the help of metal sensor. If low signal is received, then object is considered as metal, otherwise non-metal. If no object is received, then it will display the message "No object found." Servo motor can rotate from 0 to 180 degree. So in the starting, we will make its position at 90 degree. If metal object is detected, then we will rotate it 180 degree. So it will put the metal objects in the left box. If non-metal object is detected, then we will rotate it to 0° position, so it will put the non-metal objects in the right box. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1 and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4 and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now we will connect the LCD display with our Arduino hardware board. Connect the red wire with 5-volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire of metal sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 8 of Arduino. Connect the red wire of IR sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and green wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Connect the red wire of servo motor with the 5-volt pin, brown wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 6 of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We will put a paper on the metal sensor. Paper is a non-metal, so servo motor dropped it in the right box. Now we will put a piece of cotton on the metal sensor. Servo motor again dropped the non-metal item in the right box. Now we will put a piece of metal on the metal sensor. Servo motor dropped the metal plate in the left box. Our project is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.